Which way do I scan? This, right?
Put it on the
barcode
in the code in the scanner. Don't worry about it. They'll help you. So just there. Button.
Oh. Here, fuck it.
Go. Come on. All right, man. Time to go. Let's do it.
Text that now?
I did. I said we're on. You ready?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
I think I'm ready.
Okay. Take it easy, yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy, but also be safe.
Tell me if you think it's too much, yeah?
I will. Here we go.
It's catching up.
Yeah, of course it is, dude.
Indicate? No, it's okay. It's white. Yeah! Whoa! Excellent brakes. Yeah, but just going to get that EPMS. No, I'm not telling you to go slow down. I'm scared. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying take it easy, huh? Because you're already like... it's not like that. Better! Okay, BMW! Nice, better, E30! Just because I trust the tires, but it's the brakes I'm scared about. Because keep in mind, we have the drums on the back. Yeah, E30, dude. Jesus, man, this is really quick. I know, I'm finished. Yeah, because I don't trust. It's okay, I'm glad you. I know the tires I do trust. I do. It's the brakes I don't. That's the issue I have. I went through. Yeah, good man. There we go. Yeah, thanks. Drive it. Yeah, we got it. Yeah. Nice. I just had like them all. Actually, I'm not touching the brakes a lot, yeah?
Yeah, you aren't?
No, because it's really the brakes I don't really know. Dude, these tires are so good. What the fuck? Yeah, they're real. You have to trust them. They're really good. Fuck, man, they're so good. Good. But nice enough passing us that quick, yeah? Wow. Running rust. Yeah, running through that. It's impressive. Yeah. I want him to get the line. Yeah. Totally fine. I don't know how much you're using the brakes, but for me it's just more a thing of I don't know, like no, I'm not. When I'm using them, I don't use them that much. I'm trying to save them. All right. Come on. It's not lekker, eh? 155. Yeah. Yeah. We'll do it. Cars are coming. I'm gonna take it easier. Really good. Yeah? Really good. Nice, man. Don't brake now, obviously. No, I'm letting them through because it's a tight corner, yeah? Yeah, that's right. I'll let the Porsche get the line here. Yeah. There we go. Now we're safe. All right. Indicators? Yeah. That Porsche was there last time. This little Proton is so good, huh? Okay. If cars need to pass us here, let him. Yeah, we'll do. I'm gonna let him through. It's a bit steep. Yeah. Yeah, let's not ride the brakes here. Let's just let it go on. Yeah, I'm just doing it on the engine. Yeah. So, guy coming really quick here. Touchy as well. Yeah, touchy. Let him get the line. Yeah, there you are. Because I respect the fact that I know like how they get the lines. So I'm just letting them get the lines. It's the same EG hatch. Like if I see they're going fast before a corner, I give them the line. I give them the line.
Yeah. Okay, I would say after this we take it a little easy down the hill.
Yeah, you're right.
Just
man.
because I trust the tires are good. The brakes
You feel how good they are?
but it's like it's downhill and we don't want to underestimate it. You know?
No, I completely agree, man. I'm not gonna, because this is where they start to fade.
That's why.
So
let's
don't
just
worry
do a
about
lot
it.
of engine power.
Yeah, let's do that. So yours are a bit crisper. Here, can you get the line? There you go. He was there yesterday too.
Nice.
Yeah, this is where this just go down.
This is a big.
Yeah, there's a big underestimation.
Yeah,
this
stay
one.
a little outside, then cut
And
in.
then here,
Because this is a dangerous corner. Lots of
and we're
people
good.
fuck it up here.
Yeah, that's true, man. So let's just take it easy.
Yeah,
here.
definitely take it easy, man. Definitely take it easy.
We're gonna take it easy here.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
But hey, we beat a car in a Proton, man.
Oh yeah.
You filmed it?
Yeah, of course it's
Yeah.
It's still recording the whole thing.
Oh, it's so brilliant. Yeah, this is steeper than people
so
think,
let's
dude.
just now like let it ride a little.
Yeah. I'm not fucking around here.
Damn, dude. But it's nice and refreshing to see the way that you are taking these turns.
And then it can just do it.
Yeah.
They're so good. You really need to trust your tires, for real. I'm not even joking about that.
Take it. Yeah.
Is that our brakes or his?
I'm pretty sure it's his.
Yeah, because we're not crazy, you know?
Let's just really now, especially this part, huh?
Yeah, don't worry. This is all I'm gonna do here.
Perfect.
Yeah, happy?
Perfect. I'm happy with that. And then after that haul last, because we're gonna go fucking slow anyways. See, look at everyone chilling.
I know.
Oh man.
Some cars coming.
Look, it says my name, Ruben.
Really?
Yeah, dude, it says Ruben. That's so fucked.
Give them the line. It's gonna slow us down.
Yeah. Catch it. Yeah, you're going about as quick as me yesterday up the hill.
I'm just letting all of them through. Cause
Temp is great.
yeah, it's so good, dude.
It's good, huh? Oh wait, let me film with it, yeah?
I'm trying to get the power because it's
No, but keep in mind, here's a sharp turn.
yeah, I remember. There's an underestimated turn here.
Yeah, that's why.
There is. I remember that. Right there. That's underestimated, that turn.
Yeah.
No cars behind us, so I'm going to take this one nice and easy.
Easy, man. Easy.
There we go. I think that's good. Into third.
And then we're good.
Yeah.
See, look, sharp.
It's very underestimated. And now power out.
Oh, yeah. But this is nice. There's not many cars today, huh?
It's really perfect,
We
man.
can take another lap easy.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Pretty good. I love that we beat a car.
Dude, that would have been so good.
I saw her, I was like, dude, I'm having her.
BMW 30 Oak. Yeah, man. Oh, let's hope we can get the carousel. I'll film that, yeah?
Yeah.
It's so chill.
It's really nice. Okay, look, don't power out, just go here.
Yeah!
See, it just does it. Because I need to keep on the power here. There's a camera over there. I thought so.
I'll just pretend I'm drinking coffee.
Yeah.
No, it's a Marshall.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I know. What the fuck? It's so good.
It's not that busy then, like
It's so
yesterday.
nice.
I love it.
So good.
I hope we can get the carousel.
Dude, 100% we get the carousel. 100%.
Well, yeah, but you just need to have cars there. But worst case, I'll just break through it.
Okay, watch out. The guy's coming. We're giving him space. Yo. Oh, I'm so excited for my lap.
Yeah, but don't be like me in the mid, you know.
No,
but
no,
I think
no.
I'm doing okay. I
You're
don't think
doing
I'm.
totally fine, dude.
I don't think I'm really killing it, you know.
No. It sounds like we are, but we're like totally fine. How's the temp?
Very good.
Still same?
Yeah, very good.
Okay. Nice. It's good.
Okay, hopefully
So
no
sick.
cars.
We got a car.
I want the carousel.
We got a car. So yeah, we did a car, man. At our 90 horsepower Proton 30, dude. Yeah.
Okay, so it was a 325i.
I remember I was in the second gear yesterday.
See how it's going? Okay.
Oh wow.
It's really sticky, dude. Trust me, it's very sticky.
Are we looking with the carousel?
I'm going for it. There's no one.
Yo, man.
Ah, nice. I get the carousel.
Photo. A bit late, in my opinion. So good. We took that quick, dude.
I know, we had 200.
Okay, I know you're really good at this part,
But I know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use the hills
Please.
up.
like right when we start going to YouTube corner, like take it easy again, yeah?
But you do realize I'm not using many brakes, right?
No.
Like I'm using more engine. Wave.
Okay, they could be
Oh
here.
wow, that was clean.
That was fucking good.
Oh, cars.
Watch out.
Give him the line, give him the line.
I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled for them. Once we approach each corner, take it easy, huh?
Yeah.
Watch out, watch out. Yeah, now I'm gonna say take it easy, please.
Okay.
Just because it's downhill.
No worries. Then I'll take it easy.
Yeah, take it easy. This is the downhill part of YouTube, huh?
Yeah.
So watch it, watch it.
Keep it in third. Engine brakes.
Yeah, and then brake a little.
Yeah. Brakes a little bit now.
I don't see them. Hope we didn't miss them.
Hope so. I hope not, man.
I feel like we did. But it's okay, we'll just say we'll go again. Watch out, watch out. I think it's up ahead, right? The lights,
Yeah.
so we'll just take it
Looks
easy.
like.
We'll just take it easy.
Just take it easy, yeah?
What do you think happened?
I don't know, but we're gonna just drive like
Let's
this.
look at it and then
figure
hope the track's not closed.
Yeah. And if not, the car gets a rest.
Oh boy, temp's so good, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's see what the flags are.
Yeah.
We should be okay after. Huh. That's annoying.
Yeah. There,
Okay, it's there.
There he is.
Safety. Fuck. Maybe they will say, hey, we saw you. It was nice or something. Hopefully.
I don't know when we can go faster, man.
I think we'll just keep going, staying as we are. And they should have another flag that says resume after, or yeah, here.
And no hack beer.
Yeah, come on. See what happened?
Oh, just maybe ran
That
out of
looks
juice.
fine.
Nu gaan we weer.
Ja, ga maar.
There's a GTI behind us.
Echt?
Yeah.
So funny. Okay, let's give him the line.
Give him brakes. Give him brakes.
The brakes feel good?
Very good.
So we can go again?
Yeah.
Good, then we'll do it.
I just give them the line always. If I see they're faster, I just like, no, you take the line because you deserve it. You know what I mean? That's what, look, the GTI is kind of like, he's okay, but like,
Yeah.
okay, out of the straight, third.
Nice. Carousel?
Hell yeah.
Let's do it, bro. Ah, shit.
You're fine. Carousel is an angle.
That's fun. That's good. I know it is. But still, it's like, fuck. It's still scary, dude.
I know.
A little easy because the last corner. All right. That's it. Whoa.
Fourth is a bit.
Yeah, I know.
sometimes, you know?
I noticed it too. You're gonna take this goal.
Ja,
aren't you?
tuurlijk, man. Wouldn't really consider the beat though.
No, it's not. I won't consider that either. I'll call Kai, see where he's at, and then I'll go take a counter, yeah? Lekker toch? Dat? Okay, nice. Brakes good? They still
Very
feel the
good.
same?
I didn't use them much because most of the braking was on engine, and I used the terrain, so hills and whatever.
I'll call him, yeah? See where he's at, and otherwise I'll say, okay, we go again, yeah?
One more off.
Calling, but nothing.
Lekker hè?
Nice.
We go to the parking lot.
Je gaat niet motor uit doen.
Nee.